Today I'm going to show you how to create a box and whisker plot in Google Sheets. In Google Sheets, it's actually called a candlestick chart, but I'll show you how to do it. So what we're going to do here is using the data we already have, we need to find these 5 data points. We need to find the minimum, the lower quartile, the median, upper quartile, and the maximum of our data. We're going to just be looking at our revenue data here, which is in column H. So in order to find the minimum, I'm going to type equals min, open parentheses, and I'm going to just select the entire column just because that's much simpler. So if I click the H at the top, now my entire column is there, and I click close parentheses and then hit enter. So now I have my minimum value. Lower quartile, I'm going to do an equals quartile, open parentheses. Same thing, I'm going to click my same data set, then put a comma, and I'm looking for the lower quartile, which is the first quartile. So I'm going to put a 1, close parentheses, and hit enter. Now I have my lower value. For the median, I'm going to do an equals median, open parentheses, click my column of data, and then again, hit enter. For the upper quartile, it's very similar to the lower where I type quartile, select my data, and then comma, but this time I'm not looking for the first quartile. I'm actually looking for the third. So I'm going to put a 3 and then close my parentheses and hit enter. And then lastly, I need my maximum value, which is an equals max, parentheses, select my data, hit enter. So now I have all of my values that I need in order to create my chart. So I'm going to select all of the data, including my text that says revenue data. If you don't have text here that says something, then it's not going to actually create a chart. You'll get an error that says you need text in this. So now that I have all of those highlighted, I'm going to click Insert and then Chart. And Google Sheet already knows what I want because I was practicing with it. But if yours shows up where it's not a candlestick chart, what you're going to do is in the editing chart, in the chart type, yours most likely showed up as a bar chart. What you're going to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and click this one here under other that says candlestick chart. So now that it's there, it's shown you your data. If you want to rename it, you can click into the title here and you can either just type directly onto your graph or you can do it in the chart editor over on the right-hand side. So maybe I wanted to say this is the box plot for revenue data. Oops. Oh, I spelled revenue wrong. So there you have it. Obviously, you can adjust things like if you don't like this color, or if you don't want a title, or if you want to change the title, or if you want to change things about your axes. You can do all of those things in the editor, but this is how you create a box plot in Google Sheet.